What's the one thing that everybody forgets to do at their immigration interview? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. I was just preparing my man Yasher for his upcoming naturalization interview, and he was so nervous. The interview is still weeks away, but he was holding his breath the entire time during our prep. I was pretending that I was the immigration officer, and he was pretending that he was answering questions as the naturalization applicant, and we were going through each of the questions, and it dawned on me that he wasn't breathing. And that's the thing that most people forget to do at and before their immigration interview. I would strongly suggest that before you even walk into the building, that you sit in your car and you take at least 6 deep breaths for 10 or 15 seconds, hold it in through the mouth, out through the nose, and actually in through the nose and out through the mouth is the right way to breathe. I'm going to take some breathing classes because I am always stuffed up. You might hear me from time to time, but you want to breathe in, breathe out. You got to get your body temperature and your emotions in check. And the best way to do that is through good breathing. So I would do it out in the car before you come in the building. I would do it after you get through security, and I would do it while you're waiting for your interview. You know, it reminds me back to the old days when Amani and I were studying for the bar. She would study till the very last minute, trying to get every ounce of information, and I would try to relax the night before a big exam. I remember I went to see a movie the night between the bar exams, first day and the second day, and she was outraged by this. So obviously there's many ways to get through life, but I think that you're going to be better spent in the moments before your interview practicing your breathing than going over those 100 questions again or going over your naturalization application. You should do all those things, but you really need to stop and breathe. In through the nose, out through the mouth, not the way I said it earlier. So, want to make sure that you are calm, rested, and ready. You know, you want to make sure you get a good night's sleep. I always tell my clients you want to be ready for anything. So if they ask you 87 questions, you're smiling and ready for question number 88. So obviously you have to be yourself, and I'm not talking about putting on a performance, but I am talking about trying to center, be in the moment, and listen to each question. You know, sometimes they might ask you a question and you think the expected answer is no, but it might be yes, or vice versa. So you really need to listen to each question. And so the best way to do that is by regulating your breathing and concentrating on being in the moment. So these are not legal tips, these are how to approach the interview itself tips, and I hope you found them helpful. If you did, give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can always email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Let us know if you have a video you'd like for us to shoot. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. And then you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get updates just like whenever we make videos like this one. And you can share that with your friends out on social media. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.